Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my friends. It's good to see you. How are you today? Today, right now, we are studying health. And this week, we're studying the face, right? We studied eyes, nose, mouth, ears, hair, cheeks, chin, tooth, teeth, forehead. Okay. Now, if you remember last week, we studied what hurts. What hurts? Like if a child falls, you might say, what hurts? Your arm, your head, your elbow. What hurts? Okay. So in Spanish, that's ¿qué duele? Or in Russian, here, ¿qué duele? ¿Qué te duele? Okay. And they can answer, my blank hurts. For example, my head hurts. My arm hurts. My knee hurts. So let's use the example of arm. My arm hurts. Okay. Mi blank me duele. So this would be like mi brazo. Okay, uno diría me duele el brazo. But in English, mi brazo me duele. My arm hurts. And here it is in Russian. Okay. So let's do a little practice. What hurts on this woman? What hurts? My nose hurts. Her nose hurts, right? My nose hurts. What hurts? My chin hurts. What hurts? My chin hurts. What hurts? Repeat. What hurts? My head hurts. My head hurts. Okay, can be her forehead, but usually we say my head hurts. What hurts? My eye hurts. Now, if it's one eye, we say my eye hurts. If it's two eyes, we say my eyes hurt. And no S. No S. So if it's one, hurts with S. Two or three or four or five, no S. My eyes hurt. So repeat. My eye hurts. My eye hurts. My eyes hurt. My eyes hurt. What hurts? My tooth hurts. My tooth hurts. What hurts? Maybe she has 3 teeth that hurt. My teeth hurt. My teeth hurt. Remember, 1 tooth, 2, 3, 4, teeth. No S, teeth. My teeth hurt. Repeat, my tooth hurts. Repeat, my teeth hurt. So tooth is diente, teeth, dientes. Okay. Me duele el diente o la muela. Me duelen los dientes. Okay, last one. What hurts? My ear hurts. What hurts? My ear hurts. What hurts? Here she has 2 ears. My ears hurt. My ears hurt. So hurts, me duele, hurt, me duelen. My ear hurts, my ears hurt. Okay, let's look at your homework for today. We'll do a worksheet. My ear, and here you go to the 2 little arrows. My ear, and you choose hurt or hurts. My ear hurts. My ears, okay, go to these 2 little arrows and click. Okay, you click here. My ears hurt or hurts. My ears hurt. Okay, let's do one more. My head. Now is head 1 or more than 1? We only have 1 head, right? My head. Go here to the 2 little arrows and click. My head hurt or hurts? My head hurts. Okay. We have more. My knees, my back, my stomach, my feet. Remember, feet is 2 feet. Foot is 1, feet are 2. 2 feet. My toes. And when you're finished, click finish, and then check my answers. This one. And it will tell you I got 4 out of 10. Green is correct, 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 and oh, red or pink, not correct. Not correct. Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you later. Have a great day.